Hey there, my handsome and pretty little Cobras, and welcome back to the Cobra's nest. So today's video is going to be come pack with me. I'm going to be showing you guys what I have in my carry-on, or what's in my carry-on. I'm going to be going to Hawaii this weekend. I'll be gone for a week, so I'm going to be packing for a week. Hopefully I won't get stuck there due to another pandemic. My OG subscribers will know what that means. But yeah, if you want to see what this minimalist does in terms of packing, let's get right into the video. Let's get it. Let's go. So this is the fit today. I was trying to go for like I'm at the airport vibes, like super cozy kind of vibes. The reason I'm crouched on the floor is like if I stood up, my like lamp doesn't like catch the light. So yeah, let me just show you guys what I packed. So this is what I'm going to be taking. So in terms of the carry-on, this is Swiss Army luggage that I just picked up when I was in the US. If you guys saw my TikTok, you guys saw that I went to the US. It's really cool. It has like this little cup holder thingy here, which I was like, yes, I can put my Starbucks there. So this is a brand new luggage. I had to get a new one because the pink one that I have, the dimensions are slightly too big. This is before they created like more stricter dimensions. So that one unfortunately does not fit, which is such a pity because I love this pink one. So yeah, in terms of my carry-on bag, I have my travel tote. And then I'm also going to be taking with me my super cute little, I don't even know what you call it. You guys have seen this in a lot of my videos. It's like that really cute 90s little bag that goes in your crook of your arm. So it just goes like that. It's like super cute. I'm also going to be taking this one as well. There's probably going to be days where I want to wear this or I want to wear this. So maybe to dinner I'm going to wear this. And then this will be like when we go out hiking and stuff. And then I have my fit for the airplane. So I want to wear like a super cozy oversized vibe. So I will be wearing this. This is my Fruit of the Loom sweater. Show you guys that in a size medium. This is in a men's. I'm gonna be wearing that probably with a pair of beige leggings, and it's like super cozy vibe. Yeah. What else I have packed in here? So I'm also gonna be wearing my hat. This is my Aritzia hat. This is my beige bucket hat from Aritzia in a size medium large. Show you guys that. Yeah, medium large, because your girl has poofy hair. So a smaller one was just gonna look hella dumb on me. So that's what it looks like. So freaking cute. I've never been to Hawaii, so I have no idea what the weather is like. I'm assuming it's tropical. Some other things that I have packed. I packed a towel because I plan to go swimming a lot, which will be really exciting. I also have this little baggie for just putting in miscellaneous stuff. The only thing that I have in here are just goggles, because I imagine that if you go swimming and you don't want like, I don't know, salt water in your eyes, or just like, yeah, just water in your eyes generally speaking. So that goes in there. And then in here I have essentials. So I have my wallet. I have my Fufu wallet from DHgate. Then I have my Kate Spade passport. Obviously I'm not going to show you guys my actual passport, but yeah, it's just like a generic Canadian passport. And then I have my Ray-Bans. My Ray-Bans are on the table, so there's nothing inside of it right now, but yeah, it's essentially my Ray-Bans. Yeah, so that's essentially what's in the carry-on baggie. That's what that looks like. It is just like a Coach carry-on in the monogram in the canvas. So let's take a look what's on the inside. So I'm like pretty much packed. The only thing that I didn't pack was my underwear, but like, I don't know, I think that's kind of creepy. I used to show you guys my underwear in my luggage, but like, I don't know, I think that's weird now, so I'm not going to show you guys that. I'm pretty sure you guys can imagine what underwear looks like. Let me show you. All right. Since I am going to a wedding, as I had mentioned in videos, I'm bringing a pair of heels. These were a gift from Vivea. They didn't pay me, but they gifted me the piece, so I just wanted to fully disclaimer that because transparency is key. So they're fresh, they're new. I haven't worn them yet. They're kitten heels in a beige colorway, which I'm like super excited. Most of my shoes are from Vivea. They have sent me so many shoes, and I'm so grateful for that. So yeah. So I have these. You guys have seen this a bunch of times on my Instagram. So I just have some flats because like when I want to just walk around like the downtown and stuff like that, I just want like a super basic like little, you know, mules. They're quite worn out. I have worn them a lot. You can see that especially in the heel. So you guys know that this is like a true staple. I want to go on vacation and wear my comfy shoes. I don't want to wear new shoes, like unless I absolutely have to. I mean, like I'm wearing these for the wedding. When I go on vacation, I like to wear my super worn out stuff because I feel like I just want to be comfortable on vacation. I know that's not popular. Most people want to wear new things when they're on vacation. That's not my vibe. I don't know, maybe I'm just weird, but yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna show you guys what else I have packed. So I have my aloe shorts. These are so freaking comfortable. You guys have probably seen that in my videos. Do you guys have this problem where it's like you wash it, black clothing just has this weird staining from like the wash? You have to like rub it out. What is that? If anyone knows, comment down below. Like, what is that? It's so freaking weird. But anyway, yeah, so I'm gonna be wearing these. If we do go hiking or something like that, I have a pair of, you know, sports shorts. I'm packing really lightly, guys. I used to be an extreme minimalist, so that's why my luggage is more or less empty. I have a bra, so that's that. This is from Walmart, $8. Highly recommend these. Super freaking fantastic. Oh yeah, I also grabbed a pair of these in case that these hurt. I picked up some gel liners, so hopefully these will not be an issue. But, you know, safety first, so I'm taking that. Then I also have my lovely long Align shirt from Aritzia, and that's gonna go so well with my aloe. Like, it's just black on black, super cute and minimal. I don't know how hot it is there, so if it's so hot that I can wear sports clothes, then we are good to go. Then I have my makeup bag. Right now my makeup bag is empty because obviously I'm still using my makeup. I haven't left yet, but I have my makeup bag there ready to go so I can like put everything away. So this was a gift from Merit. Thank you so much to Merit. This was their holiday collection bag. So if you had bought, I think, over 50, you got the bag for free. They had sent me a PR package. They're not paying me to say this. This was just a gifted piece. So thank you so much to Merit. So yeah, this is currently my makeup bag. I have the two. I have the brown and the black. Currently into like a black vibe. So that's why I grabbed the black one for this trip. Let me show you guys in terms of skincare. So let me open that up. So my skincare is super basic. So let me tell you guys a funny story. So one time while I was flying through to Thunder Bay back to Toronto, I had bought brand new cosmetics, and in the airport they threw it all in the garbage. I remember sobbing on the phone with Will that I was like, they threw out my stuff. And you guys have to remember at the time, like, I was just an undergrad student, like I had no money. I was just so devastated because like it was brand new stuff, and they said that the bottle limits and stuff like that was like over the limit or whatever. And like, I know it's like so dumb, and I mean, granted, you have to remember, like, I think I was like 21 at the time. But anyway, it just left such a bad taste in my mouth that, you know, almost 10 years later, exactly 10 years later, I still remember it. And I promised myself I would never have my stuff chucked in the airport ever again. So what I do now when I travel, I bring my most bum stuff that is almost finished, almost done. If the airport wants to completely just wreck my stuff, they can do it, and I'm not going to cry. So the stuff that I have packed here is either makeup my least favorite makeup, stuff that I don't mind that breaks, or things that they tell me they're gonna have to throw in the trash. I'm like, yeah, freaking go for it. I was gonna declutter that shit anyway. I know that's not very common. Most people bring their good stuff on vacation. That is not me. You can blame airport trauma, but that is how I feel comfortable. I want to be on holiday. I don't want to be worrying about my material possessions, that they're gonna chuck this, they're gonna chuck that. If I even lost luggage, I don't care. I don't have nice stuff in there. So let me show you guys what is my bum stuff that I don't really care if they chuck. So I have my stuff in a clear bag because of the airport. They have to be able to see your stuff, otherwise like it's gonna be a thing. So yeah, so I have this. Not that this is a bum thing. I have 2 bottles. This is completely done. I only have a little bit left, which is enough to finish off an entire week. So if they chuck this because of the limit or whatever, it's only a little bit left. It's about this much. I'd be like, that's fine. Then I also have my face cream. This is almost done as well, so I'll have enough to finish off in a week. But if they chuck this, I'm not gonna cry. Another thing is, this is not Tatcha. This is actually my sunscreen. If you guys have seen that in videos, I have mentioned that I finished it, and then I put the inside, I just put in sunscreen, so it is a very small amount. If they chuck this, I won't cry because it's not Tatcha in the inside. It's literally just sunscreen, so I can show you guys that in a sec. So yeah, literally, as I was saying, if you guys know, Tatcha is purple, so this is white. This is literally just sunscreen. So if they tell me you have to chuck that, but that's fine, chuck it. I don't care. It's empty. It's just sunscreen. I can replenish, and not the end of the world. Then I also have this one. So this is my darkest shade of foundation, which you guys have seen. I literally own 3 foundations. So the Bourjois is only for when I'm tan. So I imagine I'm gonna get tan in Hawaii, I think. I don't know. So because of that, I'm going to bring it out. This is also my least favorite foundation, which is such a pity. I love the formulation, I love the smell, but because the shade is kind of off, this is what I'm going to bring. If they chuck it, I'm not going to cry. And then I also have a deodorant, which again is almost done. So let me show you guys. Yeah, you guys can see how empty the bottle is. I think I only have like this much left. Let me see if I can show you. There's like literally nothing left inside this. So because of that, if they chuck this, again, I'm not going to cry. If you're wondering why I'm not bringing makeup on this trip, I have such a minimal collection of makeup. Most of my makeup is my favorite makeup, literally except for that foundation. So it would just break my heart for them to chuck my stuff. So because of that, I'm not bringing makeup, like much makeup. Like I think I might put in like maybe a few more pieces in here, but other than that, like I really do think I'm just gonna rock a bare face while I'm on holiday, just because I want to be stress-free. I don't want to be worrying, are they gonna chuck my makeup at the airport? That would just freaking suck. I don't know, I guess as somebody who's traveled a F-ton in her life, I know how these things go, and we're like not gonna do that to ourselves. So because of that, literally the foundation, I think probably a bum mascara, probably, I'm looking at you, Too Faced, that thing is a piece of shit. And I think that's about it for makeup. Okay, so let's see what we have in here. So in this half, I have my clothes that I'm going to be wearing. So literally a minimalist beige aesthetic. So let's go in order. So over here, I have my swimsuit. So that is what that looks like. You guys have seen this on my Instagram. It's literally a basic minimalistic black bikini in a size. What size is this? It's an Asian large, but it's like so puny on me. It's kind of ridiculous. Asians are so much smaller than me. So yeah, let's see what else we have here. So here I have my bolero. So freaking cute. I made this myself, so you guys can see, super cropped. You can see the stitching. So I'm going to be wearing this. If it gets kind of chilly, I can like throw that over my sports bra. Here I have a pair of shorts, just regular beige shorts. These are from H&M. They're kind of old-ish. They're like about, I want to say almost 3 years old now. I bought this when I first left my mom's house. So yeah, oh, you can still see it still has like the tag on it. Oh, that's so weird. But yeah, so this is in a size small, and it's super beige, super minimal, low-key. I'm going for a very low-key beige aesthetic on my Hawaii trip, just because like it's just so much easier to pair. So that's what we're gonna go with. Then I have another pair of shorts. These might be the type that I wear to dinner. They're a little bit more dressier. They're like cream, they're white, they're a little bit more dressy. So if we go to dinner, I'll be wearing these instead of the more casual cotton shorts. So I have my Aritzia shirt in a size large. This is so like I can throw it over my sports bra, and I'm still wearing like all black. I'll be wearing it with the shorts that were over here, so that can pair with that. So I have a black top. I also have another set that I'll be wearing. So this is my Aritzia set. So this is a size large in the Quartet's crop, and then I have the mini shorts that go with it. So this is from Aritzia. This is in a size small. I know that's like very weird sizing. Like, why do I have small on the bottom and large at the top? I have a very tiny chest. I'm like part of the itty bitty titty community, but that's actually because I love oversized, but I like really tight bottoms. I love that combo. I don't know, I think it flatters my body shape very well. So that is why this set is in those weird sizing. I also have a dress. This is not my dress. This is Will's cousin's dress. She let me borrow it because I don't own dresses except for literally the one linen dress that you guys have seen. So she was like, why don't you borrow one of mine? So we tried on a couple of her dresses. She loves color. This was the only one that fit my aesthetic. Literally a gray minimalistic long dress. So I think that will look really nice for reception. So that's what I'm wearing. Thank you so much to Bunny for letting me wear that. Let's see what else. I also have this one. This is in the Turner taupe. It's literally another Aritzia large. Literally, it's just a different color. If I love the shirt, I will get in different colors. So this is that very flattering ash beige color that I like to wear. So I'm gonna have that. It's just like a backup shirt. I don't know, I'll probably pair it with the black leggings. I don't have a bottom for this, but like that's okay. Oh, I do have a bottom for it. It's right here. So yeah, I'll be pairing these two together. I know they're not the same tote. This is a Turner taupe, which is like a deeper ash, and then this is like the beige taupe. This is the fluent taupe, but I'm like, whatever, they're both taupes, they can go together. So I'll be wearing those. I also like this pair because I could either match it with this one or this one. I know beige is a little harder to match. Like I know with all black you can just pair it together. So with beiges you start having shades and it gets a bit muddy, but I mean it is what it is. So yeah, so these are my biker shorts. These are in the fluent taupe. These are also from Aritzia. These are in a size small. I get all of my leggings in smalls. Mediums don't fit me. I'm not big enough to wear a medium, so I just stick with my true size, a small. So that is what that is. And then I have a sports shirt. So this sports shirt is from H&M. It's very classic, very minimalistic, super fitted and tight. It's a size small. There's no tag here at the top. I think the tag is on the inside. I like their sports material. Their sports material is a lot more like low key. I think it's the Move series. Yeah, this one was super low key. There's actually like nothing on it that would like let you know that it's from H&M. I can't even find the tag. Well, it's from H&M. You'll just have to take my word for it. So this one is really nice. This is in like a heathered taupe, which is very pretty. Be wearing that as well. The other set that I have also another TNA biker shorts. I don't think so. I like to kind of have like a little extra some, like if for whatever reason one of my pants gets dirty and I don't have a chance to go to the washing machine or something like that, I can always change. So yeah, so I have these are in the ice gray, super pretty, also in a size small, also from TNA also from Aritzia in the TNA Action. A super cute little logo. So I want to wear these either with like a white top or something, so that's that. And then the last item that I have is my beautiful linen dress. Oh my gosh, can't even get this thing to open. This is my only true dress. This is a very beautiful linen ash beige color. It's the most flattering baby doll dress ever. I love wearing this thing. I love wearing this thing to death. Super excited. This is the one that I'm going to be wearing on the day of the wedding with my kitten heels, which are over here. The match is so beautiful. Like, look at that. That matches so well. So yeah, so that is what I'm going to be wearing for the actual day of the wedding. Super excited. I know it's not me getting married, but I'm like super excited. So I hope that you guys could have enjoyed. Come pack with me as a minimalist for my 1 week holiday trip, and I will see you guys in Hawaii. So without further ado, let's go to Hawaii. Let's get it. Let's go. Woo.